Hello and welcome back to USA Fitness Fusion. Today, we're turning up the energy and taking our workout to the dance floor. If you're looking for a workout that combines fun and fitness, dance workouts are an incredible way to stay in shape, improve your endurance, and enjoy yourself. Today, we're going to show you how to mix dance with fitness moves to create a high-energy, calorie-burning session you'll love. Let's dive in. 1. Why dance workouts? Dance workouts bring out the best of both worlds, exercise and fun. By moving to the beat, you're increasing your heart rate, burning calories, and improving your coordination. Plus, dancing is a great way to relieve stress and boost your mood. Who doesn't want to get fit while having fun? 2. Fitness moves you can combine with dance. One of the best parts of a dance workout is that you can blend fitness moves right in. Try adding squats with a hip twist, lunges with a salsa step, or even jumping jacks with arm rolls. These moves help you get an amazing full-body workout that also keeps your heart pumping to the beat. Dance fitness is all about creativity, so have fun and get moving. 3. The benefits of dance fitness. Dance fitness is so powerful because it combines cardio with core strength, flexibility, and even muscle toning. Whether you're dancing to pop, hip-hop, or Latin music, you're working up a sweat, strengthening your body, and feeling more energized. Plus, it's so engaging that you might not even realize how hard you're working. 4. How to get started. To get started with dance fitness, you don't need a lot of space or equipment, just some music that gets you moving and a positive attitude. Start with basic moves and gradually add in more complex steps. Remember, it's all about having fun and finding your rhythm, so go at your own pace. Dance fitness is an amazing way to reach your fitness goals without the routine feeling like a chore. And that's it for today's Dance Workout Fusion. Get ready to burn calories, improve your endurance, and have fun while doing it. We hope you enjoyed learning about how to combine dance with fitness. Thanks for watching USA Fitness Fusion. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our exciting fitness content.